This video shows you how to navigate Brightspace Pulse and configure push notifications. View announcements, deadlines, and grades together in real time using Brightspace Pulse. When you log into Brightspace Pulse for the first time, open the app and swipe left to learn more about it, or tap Next to continue. Search for your school, institution, or organization by name. If no results appear, enter the full URL for your institution's Learning Management System, LMS. Next, enter your Brightspace credentials and tap Login. If you've already logged into Brightspace with another institution's credentials, tap the menu icon in the top left corner, then select Add Account. The Find Your School or Institution search bar will appear. From there, search by name or enter the LMS URL. Then enter your Brightspace credentials and tap Login. To view the courses you are enrolled in and access their respective content, tap the Courses tab. If configured by your administrator, the enhanced course displays details about your assigned courses, such as a complete status indicator when all items are finished, and an overdue status indicator when items are not completed by the due date. Tap the assignments, discussions, or quizzes icons to open their respective pages using your device's default browser without leaving the app. To view a table of course content, tap a course tile. Select a module from the table of contents to view its sub-modules. When set up, due dates, start dates, end dates, and availability ranges appear under each content item. To view the full availability range for a content item, including start and end times, tap the three-dot menu. To quickly view upcoming work across your courses, tap Upcoming. A graph displays the amount of upcoming activity at a glance. You can filter this view by selecting Work to Do, Events, or All. A summary of activities due each day also displays, showing the due time and the associated course. Tap a date in the calendar to view the activities due on that date. To change the graph settings, tap Settings, then tap Graph Settings. Toggle the types of events you want to display or customize the starting day of the week. To return to Settings, tap Back. You can view all grades for a course from the Grades tab. Tap Grades within a course to see all received grades and whether feedback is available. To view feedback, tap a grade to see the score and any text comments. To view full grade breakdowns and calculations, tap View Grades in Browser. If there are unread notifications, a dot appears on the Notifications tab. To view notifications, tap Notifications. Here, you can view grades you've earned, new or updated course content, activity feed posts, discussion updates you've subscribed to, upcoming quizzes and assignments, and course announcements. To view a grade, tap the update and then swipe left to reveal the grade. To continue browsing announcements or grades, tap back. You can select which push notifications you receive from course activities on your device. From the home page, tap your organization icon in the top left corner, then tap Settings. Under Notifications, tap Push Notifications. Scroll down and toggle a push notification on or off. Now you know how to navigate Brightspace Pulse and configure push notifications. Thanks for watching.